I remember that when the 25th Amendment was passed and federally administered tribal areas were merged in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, I talked to the Chief Justice of Peshawar High Court. I said, send your best judges to this area. Send your best staff to this area. Encourage your best lawyers to go and argue cases there. Why? Because there is a comparison that we have to present. We have to tell them that this is a better system. Mr. Dilawar Khan said that the previous system was expeditious but not just, but now they may get justice but not speed. So I'm sure if we send our model court judges there, the speed will also be provided. And this is exactly what I told the Inspector General of Police of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, the very fine officer. And I asked him to send his best officers to this newly merged area, because you have to show the best of what the regular Pakistan is. This is an uncharted territory. People don't know any difference. They have lived in this kind of a style for such a long time. They have seen tribulations. They have experienced hardship. So present your best picture to them. And it is only through your best officers that you can present your best picture so that people welcome this new system, and they will find it easier to integrate, because there will be a yearning that, yes, this is a better system, we want to be a part of it. And I was told that this is exactly what is being done. There's a priority given to these areas, and very good officers as judges and as police officers are being sent to this area. I've very briefly gone through this paper book that was provided to me a few days ago, and I was impressed by the marvelous effort made. And it not only contains the history of this region, the culture, the legal system, militancy, how it grew, and then unfortunate displacement of these people, how the militancy was fought, then the issue was of rehabilitation and the present legal system and the judicial position there. Some reforms have also been suggested, and which are quite welcome, and they should be presented to the proper fora so that these reforms can be pushed. As far as militancy is concerned, this is, I suppose, another name of terrorism on a smaller scale. In a very recent judgment, the Supreme Court